Fountain Breeze, complete lifestyle, one address. Yan. Fountain Breeze is the first of its Fountain Breeze is the first of its kind of urban community right in the center of Sucat, Parañaque, just 30 minutes from Makati and 50 minutes from Naiya. Suggestion. This is the model, the gym, and the playground. Suggested floor area layout. Villaggio building. This is the 43 square meter. 21 and 21 square meter is combined, so it's going to 42 square meters. So as you can see, to the floor layout, this is the studio unit, 21 square meter. This is the two bedroom with balcony. It this is a 40 square meter and two bedroom. The vicinity map is here. It is allocated to the Lombos Avenue, Barangay San Isidro, Balito, Parañaque City. Beside the tracks, as you can see. For more info, call Jenny Umali. Fountain Breeze. 30 minutes from Makati, 15 minutes from Naiya, center of Makati and Alabang. Walking distance from major commercial establishments. Right along a major thoroughfare, making it easily accessible to both private and public transportation. Main location is in the Barangay San Isidro, Lumbus Avenue, Sucat, Parañaque. That is a vicinity map. This is the Fountain Breeze Site Development Plan. This is the clubhouse pool and the building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, the Trevis building 6, 7, Bellagio, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 11, 12. There's no 14, 15, 16. Hmm. Everything, where everything is close to your community. Schools, shopping, health, bank, airport, SM Sukat, yan. Shopwise, Vera Mall, City Gold, Duty Free, Japan, MOA. 11 building, the Villaggio is on Fountain Breeze, Villaggio building, T-shirt, school elevator, units, 152 units, 12 units in the ground floor, 14 units, floor to second to 11th floor, wide, well lighted, well ventilated, hallways 4.5 meter wide, mailbox, drying, cubicles, sewage treatment plant, firearms, sprinkler system, pyros cabinet on every floor, 24-hour security. This is the Villaggio building, building 7, typical ground floor. And there is ground floor plan, unit facing west or unit facing Trevi. Ground floor, total of units is 12. Unit HNG proposed maintenance room. This is second floor to 11th floor. This is the 40 square meter model unit. The sample unit layout. 40 square meter. This is a 40 square meter. And unit feature. Unit size 21, 42, 40 square meter. Expandable to 63, 80, 82, 103 square meter. Painted wall and ceiling. Vinyl floor plan. Toilet, tiled toilet and bathroom. 1.2 meter on the wall. Modular kitchen counter with granite top. Powder coated aluminum sliding window provision or aircon opening telephone and cable TV. Insertion receptacle electrical outlet and switches in close panel bathroom. Unit type. Studio. Standard finish. Standard finish. Furnished with multi-purpose cabinet, TV gun, aircon, refrigerator, microwave, oven. And that is Bellagio Building, Building 7, Advantage Vice walk-up condominiums with elevators, garden units on the ground floor, some units with balcony, unit size complement buyers' lifestyle, wider wall, workforce advantage Vice and price affordable pricing, more open space area, 50% of the project size